Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create such complex model in SketchUp using some plugins. So here you can see that I have rendered this animation in Inkscape 4.1. Okay. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe for our latest videos. So let's start guys. So guys, first we have to create a rectangle. At the angle of 120 degrees, select face and then use artisan tool. Use up and down arrow key to adjust the smoothness and press right and left arrow key to rotation. Okay. You have to follow the same method. Okay. Again, you have to select both faces over here, and again we will use bridge tool in artisan tool, pressing up and down arrow key and right and left arrow key for rotation. Okay. So here I am selecting the all models and using artisan tool for a smoothness. Okay. Now guys, here I am using loop subdivision option from artisan tool, and here I am creating a loop on all faces. Okay. So just click over the edges and drag the mouse to adjust for a loop just like that. Okay. Now you need a artisan sculpt tool. So select this option and you can select faces just using this tool. Okay. You can adjust the radius here. So click here and just click and drag the mouse over the faces for selection. So here I am selecting face over here like that. Okay. And then here we will use lattice maker tool to create a lattice with glass. Okay. Follow the settings here. Now lattice with glass is created. Again I am using a sculpt tool selection option to select the another side of face. Okay, just click and drag the mouse over the face is for selection. Okay. Now again we will use lattice maker without glass. And click OK. Now guys, you can easily create such kind of complex model in SketchUp using artisan tool and some other plugins. So if you really like this tutorial, please follow, share, subscribe, and have fun guys. See you next tutorial. Thank you.